If the machine is unable to turn on or runs for just a few seconds before shutting off when operating the Tineco A10, A11, S11, or S12 products, please follow these instructions. First, check to ensure that the battery is charged. The blue charging light will blink 3 times to indicate the battery is charging correctly. The battery should be charged alone, separate from the main vacuum unit. Charge the battery only with the included proprietary Tineco adapter. If any abnormalities occur during charging, first try switching out the battery to ensure that the issue is not with a faulty battery. Next, remove the dustbin and power on the main unit to determine whether the main motor is functioning properly. If not, all of the main unit's modules must be cleared of any blockage. Please perform the following steps to clean the vacuum. First, remove and empty the dustbin. Then, twist the mesh filter to remove hair or debris, using the hair cleaning tool simultaneously to remove stubborn debris. Use a clean, dry cloth to clean the inside of the dustbin. Next, remove the HEPA and clear debris from both inside and outside of the unit with a hair cleaning tool. Remove the dirty pre-filter from the dustbin and replace it with a clean one. The dirty filter can be cleaned by putting it into the filter cleaning tool, powering on the vacuum, and rotating the cleaning tool back and forth for about 1 minute. Make sure to turn the vacuum on to max mode for best results. Clean the filter after each use and deep clean the filter by rinsing with warm water once a month. Replace the filter every 6 months. Next, we need to check for blockage around the inlet of the dustbin, as well as check for excessive buildup of dirt around the brush roller. Use a coin to unlock and remove the brush roller to check for excess dirt. Use the hair cleaning tool to remove the debris or hair from around the brush roller, as well as the inlet of the floor brush. Then manually rotate the roller draft shaft to verify that it is working properly. Clean the connector and the brush roller chamber. Next, check and clear the tube of excess debris. After following these steps, reassemble the vacuum. It should be able to power on and clean normally.
Tineco.